you. I say, God, this year, God will embarrass all of you with blessings. That is my prayer for you. Guys, look at fine girl now. Look at fine girl now. In fact, this year, God is going to give us things that we read about and the things that we did not read about. Like, hey you guys, welcome and welcome back to another vlog. Happy New Year and Merry Christmas. You guys, I have no vlog for you guys. I have no Christmas or New Year vlog. I am so sorry, you guys. I was so busy. Christmas period and New Year period, I was so busy. I was choked up with a lot of things at home, and I didn't just have the time to film. Honestly, I did not just have the strength to pick up my camera and start filming. So I just, said I was just going to wait until the New Year. Let me use that holiday period to relax and just prepare for the New Year. So happy New Year, everyone. I wish you, honestly, I wish you the best this 2025. This 2025, the devil will see shaggy. This 2025 is from grace to grace to grace to grace to grace to grace. This 2025, honestly, we are just going to really improve in all areas of our lives. Like, God is just going to really elevate us to the next level, take us to the next level. I'm so excited for what God has in store for us this year. And are you guys fasting? Are you fasting? I am currently fasting on the 21 days fasting program. A lot of churches are running this program right now. I think almost everybody is fasting. I'm fasting, my husband is fasting, like everybody in my family were fasting, and I am this fasting this month. Fasting this period it's like tough. I don't know if I'm the only one. Some days I'll just be like, I just need to eat. Okay, I'll break my fasting by 3, and then I will remember all the things that I have written down that I want God to do for me and that I want to do for God this year. And then I just tell myself that, babe, you can do it. You can do this 6 to 6. I did 6 to 6 last year. It wasn't easy, and I am doing it again this year. I said, you know what, I am going to do this 6 to 6. Nothing is going to stop me. Some days have been really hard because I don't wake up before 6 to eat. No. Once I have my dinner at 9 time, I eat like around, let's say 7, 8 after the fasting, and after that I don't eat again till the next day by 6. So I almost go full 24 hours, or let me say 22 hours thereabout, without food. It has not been easy, honestly. Some days I really want to, like, I'm going to break my fasting by 3. God is not going to be angry with me. But then I just say, you know what, I can do it. And today is like the 15th day of the fast, so I have really gone deep, and I'm so happy. I am happy that I can fast. I am happy. I'm just happy. Like, who won't be happy, man? Are you guys fasting too? If you are fasting, let me know your thoughts down in the comment section. How has it been for you? How is it going with you? Are you guys enjoying the fasting, or are you fasting, or you are not fasting? Basically, like a few hours ago, when I told you guys last year in my last vlog, I said this is going to be my hairstyle this year. I am going to be doing this ponytail hairstyle because, as you see me, I don't have strength to be wearing wig. I feel like this hairstyle is just everything. Like, I love this hairstyle a lot. And you know how God answers prayers, you guys. Let me give you like a small gist. So last year, I think that was around October, I was considering buying a coily ponytail, like a really good coily ponytail. And then I saw this Instagram vendor. She sells like pixie curl ponytail, but she sells it for around, I think, 200 and something thousand naira. That is about almost $150. I'm like, wow, that is a lot of money for a ponytail. Actually, I'm like, should I buy it? Should I not buy it? I was just thinking, should I or should I not buy it? And then I was like, okay, let me go for the straight ponytail. And the straight ponytail, the kinky ponytail, was also expensive. So I was like, you know what, I can afford this, but I have other things I need to do with money. Let me just relax. And guess what, around December time, this brand called I Like Wig, they messaged me and they were like, they have ponytails for me to review for them. I'm like, oh, you have ponytails? That's so nice. And in my mind, I'm like, wow, these people have ponytail. And I've been thinking of buying ponytail. It seems God just has me in mind and say, my daughter, don't worry, you will get this hair for free. Do you know that when they sent me the hair that they wanted me to review, they sent me this hair, you guys, and then they also sent me the same type of kinky straight wig kinky straight ponytail that I wanted to buy. Is God not good? Is God not good? Is God not good? At the end of the day, I didn't end up spending my money to buy a almost 300,000 naira physical ponytail and almost 200,000 naira kinky straight ponytail. God gave it to me for free, and I didn't even pray about it. In fact, this year God is going to give us things that we prayed about and the things that we did not pray about. Like, God is not going to joke with us this year. Honestly, you guys, see, can you see this cute ponytail? This ponytail is so fine. Like, it is so fine. Imagine me paying, imagine me buying the kinky ponytail and then I will not have another kinky ponytail. But God just allowed me not to buy it then, because He knew that it was going to send a brand to give me exactly what I wanted: the kinky straight ponytail and the kinky coily ponytail. This is so cute, you guys. I didn't have to spend any money. I want to do goat meat, peppered goat meat and plantain porridge this evening. That is what we're going to have after the fast. You guys, if you are following Pastor Jerry's fasting, because that is the one I'm doing, when it's 6 o'clock, I'm like, I want to eat, but then Pastor Jerry keeps on praying. I'm like, it's so hard. But then again, in fact, it has just been amazing. God has been so good, strengthening me this period. God answered all my prayers last year. All my prayers, God answered everything. And that is why I said this year, I am not going to miss any fasting. I'm not going to, I'm going to try to do the 6 to 6 again. And look at, today is day 15. God has been so good, you guys. So I am going to make peppered goat meat. My father-in-law brought goat meat and pork meat yesterday. My father-in-law used to spoil us. He came with pork meat and goat meat. So I want to do peppered goat meat this evening and also do plantain porridge. That's what we're going to have after the fast. Guys, look at fine girl now. Look at fine girl now. I am watching my live. I just put this video on live now on YouTube. This wig, you guys, this wig is so beautiful. Like, where's Kids hair? See as your girl is looking so scrumptious, so beautiful. See as your girl is looking so pretty, so cute, so beautiful. Like, alright guys, so I have put the food on the fire. I'm currently cooking the goat meat. I put the plantain on fire, and I'll soon make the porridge.
Several days later. The next day.
Hey guys! So today is Saturday and I just finished filming this wig from my braided wig. Anyways, you guys saw that I collected my plaque yesterday, and when I went to the UPS office yesterday, I saw other YouTubers' plaque. Like, it was just on the floor. The way these people are not treating our plaque well. Do you know how hard it is to get to 100k subs, and our plaque was just lying on the ground? If you are a growing YouTuber, you just started YouTube, this is your sign, girl. Or if you're a guy watching me, this is your sign not to give up, because Your dreams are valid, and anything you put your mind to do, you can actually do it. You can actually do it. Anything you put your mind to do, you can actually do it. Who would have thought I would have gotten my plaque after 4 years? I gave myself almost 6 years or 7 years to get to 100k. I'm not lying. I am someone that, you know, I am very, very realistic. I don't like giving myself, you know, too much hope. Hope is good, but I don't like being disappointed. So I just give myself time, give myself grace, and I'm so happy that I was able to accomplish this in 4 years. And it would have not been possible without you guys. You guys have been so good to me on this Anastasia Itwa's YouTube community. You guys have been so good. It's God that will bless you. I say, God, this year God will embarrass all of you with blessings. That is my prayer for you. Everybody that keeps on supporting my channel, keep on commenting. I noticed that anytime I post videos, I always get comments from some certain accounts, from some certain people. They always comment on my videos. In fact, now I know the active commenters on my YouTube channel. I know their names already. I know their names. You guys support me a lot. The ones that always comment on my videos, God will bless every single one of you. I know your names offhand. I know your names off. Anytime I see a comment, I'm like, oh, this person again. Even if I have not met you, but you know, you just been on my page, you are supporting me, liking, commenting on my page. That is what made me get here today. It is not by my power, it is not by my mind, but it is by the grace of God and also you guys. And I am honestly so grateful. I was even thinking of doing a giveaway, but I am still trying to figure out what I am going to give out. I am not yet sure what I'm going to give out, but that giveaway is definitely going to be in the first half of the year, between January and March. Somewhere between January and the end of March, I'm going to do a massive giveaway. 100k is not beans, so I am going to be doing a giveaway. Don't miss my giveaway. Don't miss my giveaway. I'm currently having ginger tea. You guys, ginger tea is amazing for the body. During this fasting period, I have not been eating, but I have been consuming a lot of liquids, a lot of fluids. I have been having a lot of water and also ginger tea, because ginger tea helps a lot with inflammation, and I know that my body is inflamed inside. So I've been taking ginger tea throughout this fasting period, and honestly, it has reduced bloating. It has reduced the way I break out on my face. The only thing with this ginger tea is that it makes me more hungry while I fast, because I take this as I am fasting. I take the ginger tea as I am fasting. It doesn't have a nice taste at all, and it even makes me hungrier when I take the ginger tea. But I just told myself that, you know, this January I didn't want to fast because I was feeling somehow like my body, my system was not just. I was thinking, should I fast, should I not fast? But I knew the problem was inflammation, so I had to just tell God that, God, okay, I'm gonna fast, but I'm gonna do water fast, and I'm going to add my ginger tea inside. So this is currently 1:41. It is almost 2 p.m. and I just want to finish my leftover ginger tea. I can't actually drink this from the cup because it is going to ruin my lipstick, so I have to use a straw. Right now I want to take some pictures for this hair. I've not taken pictures. I have to take pictures that I am going to send to the brand. I have to post this vlog on Monday. This vlog is going live on Monday, and today is Saturday, so I have to like round off this vlog. So yeah guys, I told myself this year I am going to wear a lot of shirts and leggings. That is my style now, this 2025. My battery is so low right now. My battery is 17%. But I told myself this year I am going to do more of shirts and more of leggings. More of shirt. This is a satin shirt that I got, or is it silk now? Yeah, silk shirt. It's really cute, it's beautiful. And I'm going to get more silk shirt. Just shirt you get. I am done with all that crop top. That's not my vibe again this year. I'm not really doing crop tops, but shirts are my thing right now. What do you guys think about my hair? What do you guys think about it? Alright guys, so I am almost done with my, this is my setup. Can you guys see my setup? I'm almost done with everything that I have to do today. I'll see you guys later. My battery is so low right now. My battery is 15%. I'm gonna take some pictures and yeah, I'll see you guys later. Bye.
Several days later.
Hey you guys, so today is Tuesday and I said I was going to post this vlog on Monday, but I have been so busy, so I am going to post the vlog tomorrow being Wednesday. So I have to end this vlog right now. You guys, I don't know what's going on with my face, so I honestly don't know what's going on with my face. I'm taking some medications, so I think that is what is affecting me right now. Here, I even have one here. I'm currently on some medications and pills that I feel like it's kind of affecting my face. But yeah, this is just temporary. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I'm so sorry that I was not able to film a lot of things, but you guys should watch out for my next vlog, which is going to be wife diary. So yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. Until then, bye.